Want to build a real, live digital clock in Python in under 2 minutes? No fancy libraries, no complicated code, just pure Python plus Tkinter. And yes, it updates every second, looks gorgeous, and you can customize it any way you want. Hey there, future Python pro. Welcome back to ProgrammingLearn, your go-to channel for bite-sized, beginner-friendly Python projects that actually work. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're building a sleek digital clock GUI, and I'll explain every single line so you understand not just how it works, but why. Let's jump into the code, and don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, we need to import two things: Tkinter as TK, that's the library we use to build graphical user interfaces in Python. With it, we can create windows, buttons, labels, and more. strftime from the time module. This helps us get and format the current time. Now we're going to create the main window for our app. We do that by calling tk.tk and storing it in a variable called root. This is the container for everything in our app, like the stage where our clock will appear. Let's give our window a title. We'll call it Digital Clock. This is the text you'll see at the top of the window when you run the app. Next, we'll set the size of the window 400 pixels wide and 150 pixels tall. That's perfect for a sleek little clock. And we'll make sure the window can't be resized. That way, our clock stays perfectly centered and nothing gets stretched or squished. We'll set the background color to black. Gives it that cool, modern digital clock vibe. Last step, root.mainLoop. This keeps the window open and running. Without it, the app would vanish instantly. Think of it as the on switch for your clock. Alright, our window is all set up. Now let's add the star of the show, the clock itself. Now that our window is ready, it's time to add the actual clock display. We'll do that using a label, which in Tkinter is just a simple widget for showing text or images. We're creating a label and we're attaching it to our main window. That's why we pass root as the first argument. We set the background color to black, matching our window, so everything looks seamless and stylish. And for the text color, we're going with cyan, that bright, glowing blue-green that screams digital tech. It'll look awesome against the black. Next, we style the text. We're using the Courier font, nice and clean, like a real digital clock, at size 40 and bold, so it really pops on screen. Finally, we need to place the label inside the window. We use .pack for that. It's one of Tkinter's layout managers. Anchor equals center, makes sure the label stays centered horizontally. Pady equals 30 adds 30 pixels of padding above and below, so the clock doesn't hug the top or bottom of the window. Boom! Now our clock has a home, perfectly centered and styled. Alright, here's where the magic happens. We're about to write the function that makes our clock alive. Inside the function, we use strftime, remember that from the top, to grab the current time and format it nicely. %I gives us the hour in 12-hour format, like 1, 2, 3, up to 12. %m is minutes, %s is seconds, and %p adds AM or PM, so we get something like this, clean and readable. Then, we update the label's text to show this new time. We do that with .config, short for configure. It lets us change properties of a widget after it's been created. So every second, the label gets a fresh new time. Now, here's the secret sauce. After 1000, update underline time. This tells Tkinter, wait 1000 milliseconds. That's 1 second. Then call update underline time again. And inside that next call, it updates the time and calls dot after again and again and again. But this function won't run by itself. We have to start it. So right after we define it, we call update underline time once. That kicks off the whole cycle. First update, then wait, then update again, forever or until you close the window. Want the full code? I've uploaded the complete, ready-to-run Python file to our Telegram channel totally free. Just head over to @ProgrammingLearn on Telegram, link in the description, and download it with one click. Perfect for learning, tweaking, or showing off to your friends. You'll also get bonus tips, project ideas, and early access to new tutorials, all for free. And that's it. You've built a real, working digital clock in Python. You learned how to create a window, style a label, format time, and make it update automatically, all with Tkinter. Go ahead, run it, watch it tick, and feel proud because you just built something awesome. If you like this, smash that like button, subscribe for more Python projects, and drop a comment if you want to see how to add date, alarms, or even sound. Thanks for watching, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.